Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about this ZEESEA cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Can we have this moment like appreciate how beautiful this packaging is? It's made of plastic, but it's a sturdy plastic, and this print here, the cat and everything is like a 3D effect. It's really nice. Before I talk further about this eyeshadow palette, let's talk about this ZEESEA cosmetic company. It's founded in 2011 and it was created among makeup lovers and art lovers in China. It's really stunning, isn't it? By the way, this video is not sponsored, and this eyeshadow palette I purchased with my own money, but I do have affiliate link which I will put it in the description box, and I have affiliate code, or they call it referral code, which you can use if you're interested to purchase anything from ZEESEA Cosmetics. You will get 15% discount, and I do get a small commission, so if you decided to use it, thank you so much. No obligations. My code is Missha Megami. I will put it on the screen and also in the description box. So let's talk about this palette. This is from the Enchanting Egypt series and in collaboration with the British Museum. There are actually 6 eyeshadow palettes in this collection, and the palette that I'll be using and talking about today is the Geyer Anderson Cat. By the way, this is magnetic closure, which is really nice. The packaging feels really luxurious and sturdy. I really like it. It has got a plastic to protect the eyeshadows. And it comes with a mirror, and of course with the sticker that I didn't peel off because I have not used it yet. This is my first time. The eyeshadow looks like this. I will show you a clip on swatches of the shadows on my arm. There are 16 shadows here, so half of the shadows in this palette are mattes, and there are some shimmers, and there's one pressed glitter here. And I think these two, they look like dual chromes. Without further ado, let's get started with the eye makeup. As you can see, I've done my brows and my face, contour. I have not actually planned what eyeshadows that I'm going to use in this palette as usual. I am going to use this as my transition shade. So there are no names for each shadows here. I'm just going to point and show you what color I'll be using. Wow. As you can tell, with one swipe and the color is so intense. It's so pigmented. By the way, this is the first time I'm trying the eyeshadows. I'm just going to apply this like a windshield wiping motion on my crease line and also as my base color. I'm going to use the same color along my lower lash line. And I'm applying it upwards at my outer corner and try to connect it to the corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to try this green eyeshadow here. I'm going to apply this on my crease line and also my outer corner. I'm not sure how this is going to go actually, but we'll see. I really like green eyeshadow, so I'm trying to use green color mixed with warm tone shadows. I'm focusing this color on my outer corner. How do I look? Is this a good combination? I hope so. So this green eyeshadow, I am focusing the outer third on my lower lash. I'll be using this deep brown here to darken my outer corner. Let me do this green again all over my lids. The deep brown on my outer corner. So far these shadows perform really well. No fallout on my face. I need to go back to this color here. Same deep brown shadow I'm going to apply on my lower lash, really close to my lash line. Feel the breeze deep on the inside, look you down into. Alright, next color I am going to apply this yellow here on my inner corner of my eyes. Take a chance, like all dreamers, you can find no other way. You don't have to dream it all, just live your day. I can't decide this shimmer or this one on the center of my lid. Let me swatch on my arm and see which one looks better. I mean, with this color combination. Let's do some live swatches. This is how it looks like on my finger. This green one here actually looks a bit like gold. Green with gold shift. And this purple, it has a bit of a blue shift. I am applying this purple on my inner third. And this green with gold shift on my inner corner. Let's do this. São as mãos de Deus tocando o divino eterno amor. Now the green shimmer on my inner corner. Por tudo e para tudo traz calor. E são as mãos de Deus. Somehow this green shimmer layer on top of the yellow, it becomes gold. Like fully gold, you can't really see. Well, there's a little bit of green, just not that obvious. Alright, with that eyeshadow is done. I am going to apply eyeliner, false lashes and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. So I have applied the rest of the makeup off camera. This is the final look. Save your prayer to the morning after. Say the prayer till the morning after. Save your prayer to the morning after. Save prayer till the morning. Save your prayer to the... I actually forgot to mention that ZEESEA's cosmetic has got a few collaborations, which I'm going to put on the screen. Palette's Identity has more luxurious packaging, and they have Alice in Wonderland, Enchanting Egypt, Genius Picasso, and Pink Universe. So there are actually a lot of varieties of collaboration that you can choose from, depending on your preference. I also did use this yellow eyeshadow on the waterline. I'm sure you can see. So my final thoughts, I really enjoyed this palette, and I think that with this color story you can create many looks, many beautiful looks, and I really enjoy this, and I really appreciate that this is magnetic closure. So if you have long nails or you have painted nails, there won't be any problem with that while opening the palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos from me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye now.